If your side hustle needs money before it makes money, you may have already chosen the wrong idea. You think you need stock, logo, a website, or paid ads. But the real question is simpler. Has even one person said yes? In this video, I will show you 7 side hustles you can start this week without spending money. Here's the rule. Before you spend money, send 10 messages. That is the no money 10 message filter. First one, local errand running service. If you do not have money, the easiest place to start may not be online. It may be the people already around you. Someone near you is busy. Someone needs a parcel collected, a document dropped off, a queue handled, or a small delivery done. And quickly, if you are new here, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned property investor. And I break down practical money systems that help you earn better, manage money smarter, and build toward property investing. That is why local errand running can work. You are not selling a product, you are selling time, location, and convenience. The rule here is simple. Do not offer anything. Offer one clear errand in one clear area. Instead of saying, I can help with errands, say, I help people in this area with collections, drop-offs, queues, small deliveries. Then test it with 10 messages. You can send, hi, I'm helping people in this area with simple errands this week. If you need something done nearby, I can help from 50 Rand to 150 Rand depending on the task. If you don't have transport, do not disqualify yourself immediately. Focus on walking distance errands, office errands, complex, school, or errands close to taxi routes. The trap is trying to sound too available. When you say, I can do anything, people do not know what to ask you for. But when you say, I help with collections, drop-offs in this area, the offer becomes easier to understand. So ask yourself, who around you is busy, tired, elderly, working, studying, or running a small business? And what small tasks could you make easier for them this week? If you can answer that and send 10 messages, you are testing demand with what you already have. If you do not want to run errands, the next place to look is messy information. Someone already has a long voice note, a meeting recording, a sermon, a lesson, or a content idea sitting on their phone, but they have not turned it into anything useful yet. That is where this side hustle works. You are not selling typing. You are selling clarity. The offer is simple. I turn voice notes and recordings into clean notes, summaries, captions, or documents. Then send one message to 10 people who create, teach, run meetings, or send long voice notes. You can say, hi, if you have any long voice notes, meeting recordings, sermon notes, or content ideas, I can turn them into clean notes this week. For example, a creator sends you a 10-minute voice note. Instead of typing everything out, you turn it into one clean summary, 5 content ideas, and 1 caption they can post. The no money proof is clear. You do not need stock or a fancy setup. You can start with your phone, earphones, free tools, and your ability to organize information. The trap is selling the task instead of the outcome. If you only sell typing, you become easy to compare on price. But if you sell clean notes, summaries, captions, or usable content, you are solving a clearer problem. So ask yourself, who around you sends long voice notes, teaches, creates contents, runs meetings, studies, preaches, coaches, or has ideas they never organize? If you can find 10 people like that and send one clear message, you can test this side hustle this week without spending money. Comment which one feels easier for you to test this week, errands or voice notes. Some small businesses are losing time because every customer asks the same question, how much? A nail tech, cleaner, or a barber may already have customers asking for prices, but the only thing they can send back is an old flyer, a blurry screenshot, or a long WhatsApp message. That is the problem you are solving. You are not selling graphic design. You are selling a cleaner way for the business to answer the price questions quickly. The one-line offer is, I create clean WhatsApp lists for small businesses so customers can understand your price quickly. Before designing anything, first see if 10 businesses even want a cleaner price list. Look for small businesses on social media or in your area that have unclear pricing. Old posters, messy flyers, or no price list at all. You can send the before and after sample. Before, old flyer, blurry screenshots, too much text, no clear prices, no booking instruction. After, clean WhatsApp price list with service name, price, contact number, area, and how to book. The no money proof is clear. You use your phone and a simple template. You do not need to be an advanced designer. The trap is calling yourself a graphic designer when you are not ready for full design work. Do not say, I do branding and design. Say, I can create a clean WhatsApp price list so your customers can see your prices faster. So ask yourself, which small business near you keeps answering price questions manually, has an old poster, or does not have a clear WhatsApp price list? Now, test this side hustle. Find 10 businesses around you and send one clear message without spending money. Now, the next 3 are for people who want to help small businesses get clearer, more organized, or better at follow-up without pretending to be a full agency. Small businesses are losing trust because their page makes them look closed, unreliable, or hard to order from. A food seller may have good food, a tutor may have results, a salon may have good work. But if the posts are old, the captions are unclear, or the customer cannot see how to order, the business loses trust. That is the problem you are solving. The job is small. Make the page look active, clear, and easier for customers to understand. The one-line offer is, you help small businesses to prepare simple posts and captions so their page look attractive and customers understand what they offer. Before you promise anything bigger, send one clear message to 10 businesses and test the offer. You can send a message like, hi, I saw your page and noticed you already have a good service. I can help you prepare 5 simple posts and captions for this week, so your page looks active and clearer to customers. Keep the offer small. Do not say, I can manage all your marketing. The no money proof is clear. You do not need a website or a marketing qualification. You are using your phone, basic writing, simple organization, and the photos or services that business already has. This works best when the business already has something to work with. If the business has no photos, no service details, and no proof, your job becomes much harder. The trap is making the offer too big. Sell 5 simple posts. That is simple enough to test and clear enough for the business owner to understand. So ask yourself, which small business near you already has a real product or a service, but their page is inactive, unclear, or badly presented? If you can find 10 businesses like that, you can test this side hustle without spending money. The next one is less about selling a service and more about doing the research most business owners do not have the time to do. Some businesses are not stuck because they have no service. They are stuck because they do not have a clean list of people or businesses to contact. For example, a small cleaning company may want more commercial clients in Randburg, but they do not have a simple list of offices, clinics, salons, guest houses, or small businesses nearby. That is the problem you are solving. The value is simple. You find the right business, check the details, and organize them into a clean list the owner can actually use. The one-line offer is, you build a simple list of 50 potential customers in a target area with business names, phone numbers, emails, website, and location. You use Google Maps, Google Sheets, and careful research. You don't need stock, ads, website, or paid software. The money proof is clear. The trap is making this sound too technical. You don't say, I do advanced lead generation automation. You say, I can build a clean list of 50 potential customers in your target area. Keep the offer practical. This works best when the business already knows what type of clients they want. If they don't know who to sell to, your job becomes harder. So ask yourself, which business near you needs more potential customers? And with a clean list of 50 names, help them know who to contact next. You can test this side hustle without spending money. And if you want income ideas that are not only local, watch my video on remote job for Africans that pay in dollars after this one. Some small businesses already have interested people on WhatsApp, but those queries disappear quickly because nobody follows up properly. The message gets buried, the replies come too late, or nobody confirms the appointments. That is the problem you are solving. The job is to stop warm queries from disappearing before the customer books. The one-line offer is, I help small businesses follow up with queries and turn interested people into booked appointments. Look for businesses like driving school instructors, mobile car washes, photographers, or physiotherapists. Then send a message like, "Hi, I noticed your business takes bookings. I can help you follow up with queries and confirm appointments so fewer interested customers disappear." The no money proof is clear. You need a phone, a simple follow-up script, and the discipline to reply and follow up properly. A simple follow-up script could be, "Hi, just checking if you still want to book your appointment for this week. I can confirm a slot for you if you are still interested." The trap is offering appointment setting to a business that has no query yet. If there are no people asking questions, there is nobody to follow up with. Only offer this where queries already exist. If the business has no leads at all, you are not doing appointment setting, you are doing lead generation. So ask yourself, which small business near you already gets inquiries, take bookings, or has people asking questions on WhatsApp but does not follow up properly? If you can find 10 businesses like that and send one clear message, you can test this side hustle without spending money. Some people need help, but they do not know who to trust. And some businesses have a good service, but they need more paying customers. That gap is where referral selling can work. Not by spamming links, but by connecting a real need to a real service. You need trust, access, and one clear agreement before you refer anyone. The rule is simple. Real service, real need, referral fee agreed first. The one-line offer is, I refer paying customers to businesses and earn a referral fee when the customer pays. But the other matters. First, speak to the business and confirm the referral fee. Then speak to the people who actually need that service. You can say, "Hi, I know someone who does painting. Are you still looking for help with that?" That is your 10-message test. Split it properly. 5 businesses, 5 potential customers. The trap is referring people before the money agreement is clear. Do not assume you'll be paid because you introduce a customer. Agree referral fees first and only recommend businesses you actually trust. So ask yourself, who do you know that needs a service? And which business do I trust enough to recommend? If you can find 5 businesses willing to pay a referral fee and 5 people who genuinely need those services, you can test this side hustle without spending money. And that is the bigger lesson across this video. When you have no money, you do not start by spending, you start by testing. One problem, one buyer, one simple offer, and direct messages before you build anything. If you are still waiting for money before you start, you may stay stuck for another month end. Use the no money 10-message filter. Pick one side hustle you can explain clearly. Test it this week. And message at least 10 people before spending anything. If 10 people ignore it, you have feedback before you have expenses. Do not pick the idea that sounds exciting. Pick the one you can test this week. Download the Money Master Checklist to help you organize your money before you spend on any side hustle. Be a legacy builder.